In the today's video, we are demonstrating preparation of derivatives of organic compounds. First, let me take benzoic acid. For that, we are preparing metanitrobenzoic acid. So, what is done is, in a clean, dry 100 cc conical flask, 4 cc of concentrated sulfuric acid is added. 4 cc of concentrated sulfuric acid is added. Now I have taken 4 cc of concentrated sulfuric acid. To this I am adding 3 cc of concentrated nitric acid. I am preparing nitrating mixture. It is added slowly. Yes, 3 cc of concentrated nitric acid is taken. So this is nitrating mixture. It is called nitrating mixture because it is used to carry out nitration of aromatic compounds. So to this nitrating mixture we are adding powdered benzoic acid. This is powdered benzoic acid. About 2 gram of the benzoic acid is powdered and taken. It is added little by little with shaking. So powdered benzoic acid is added to the reaction mixture. It is shaken well. It is shaken well. Now at room temperature only the reaction is taking place. That is, nitration of benzoic acid is taking place. So the addition of benzoic acid is completed in about 5 to 10 minutes. So with shaking we are adding. So now it is shaken for about 10 minutes. Now in this 10 minutes the nitration of benzoic acid is almost complete. So this is the product obtained now. It is decomposed in ice cold water. It is transferred into ice cold water taken in 250 cc beaker. So now it is slowly transferred into ice cold water. So now I am collecting with the help of water the contents of the flask. They are transferred. Now you can see the pale yellow color precipitate of metanitrobenzoic acid. It is pale yellow in color. Metanitrobenzoic acid obtained is pale yellow in color. Yes, this is the derivative. We can see the solid separated. So this solid separated is metanitrobenzoic acid. This is the derivative. And now this is filtered. It is filtered. Now the derivative containing metanitrobenzoic acid is filtered. So now the bottom is containing the product metanitrobenzoic acid. Yes, we can now see the derivative. This is the derivative, which is slightly pale yellow in color. So this pale yellow solid, that is metanitrobenzoic acid, is washed with water to make it free from excess of the adhering acid. It is made free from adhering acid. It is washed with water and the contents are transferred now. is completely transferred. So now the separated derivative is dried. The product obtained is metanitrobenzoic acid. This precipitate is dried between folds of the filter paper, and then the melting point is determined. So this is how the derivative metanitrobenzoic acid is prepared from benzoic acid. So now I am demonstrating preparation of salicylic acid derivative. 5-nitro-salicylic acid is prepared for salicylic acid. For that, what is done is, in a clean dry 100 cc conical flask, about 2 gram of the powdered salicylic acid is taken. I have taken powdered salicylic acid, about 2 gram. So now to this I am adding dilute nitric acid. 10 cc of dilute nitric acid is added, about 10 cc. We know that salicylic acid is little more reactive than benzoic acid, therefore we need dilute nitric acid for the nitration reaction. Now we are carrying out nitration of salicylic acid. Now I am adding about 10 cc of dilute nitric acid to the salicylic acid. Now this is kept for warming. So we have to keep it for warming on wire gauze. So now on warming, nitric acid decomposes, giving brown colored solution. The brown color is due to liberation of nitrogen dioxide gas due to decomposition of the nitric acid. Yes, now there is formation of the brown colored solution. So now the brown color, as I have told, it is due to nitrogen dioxide gas that dissolves in the solution. Now it is heated till it becomes colorless. Yes, now the nitration is almost complete because this is colorless. Now it has turned into colorless. So now we shall decompose this into ice cold water. Now I am decomposing this by adding it to ice cold water, so that the nitro derivative of salicylic acid precipitates out, and this precipitated 5-nitro salicylic acid is filtered. It is filtered and the derivative is collected. So this derivative is again washed with water to remove excess of the nitric acid adhering to the product. It is we have to wash this to remove the excess of the nitric acid adhering to this, and that is how the 5-nitro salicylic acid is prepared in the laboratory. This is 5-nitro salicylic acid, this derivative. This is further dried. Benzoic acid, it is benzene ring containing carboxyl group. So now when it is reacting with nitrating mixture, nitroneamine is liberated. This is electrophile. So benzoic acid nitration is clearly electrophilic substitution, where nitroneamine attacks the meta position because carboxyl group is meta director. Therefore we are getting meta-nitro benzoic acid. With respect to carboxyl group, this is ortho, this is meta. So meta-nitro benzoic acid is obtained. This is electrophilic substitution reaction. Now I am taking salicylic acid. That salicylic acid is hydroxybenzoic acid. This is more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reaction, when compared to benzoic acid. Therefore, we need dilute nitric acid. Here also nitronium ion is generated. This nitronium ion is the effective electrophile. So nitro group is introduced into fifth position with respect to carboxyl group. So with respect to carboxyl group, this is meta position, ortho meta. With respect to hydroxyl group, this is ortho, meta and para. So nitro group is introduced into that position, which is meta with respect to carboxyl group and para with respect to hydroxyl group. So this is again electrophilic substitution reaction.